Good day, viewers. Walter here. I thought I'd do a little bit of a vlog today. I'm working with my Corel Videostudio screen capture today with VCam for my background. I think I got VCam turned on. Anyway, I'm going to do a GoPro helmet cam and a hard hat sweatband review. Now, what I'm talking about is I used a regular standard hard hat. I think y'all can see that for my GoPro helmet cam. Basically, I took a regular attachment that you glue on different surfaces to make a bracket, but I don't trust the glue, so I drilled a hole through there with a 1/4-inch bolt. I'm not going to risk an expensive camera to come unglued and break on the sidewalks bracket, but I don't trust the glue, so I drilled a hole through there with a 1/4-inch bolt. I'm not going to risk an expensive camera to come unglued and break on the sidewalk somewhere. So that's where I got my little GoPro hooked up today. But what I'm talking about is I ordered some new sweatbands. If you're a construction worker or your job requires you to wear hard hats, and I know my company did for the whole year, many years that I worked for the railroad, but not once has they ever offered me a sweatband that I could put in my hard hat. Occasionally, they give you a whole new liner that snaps right into your hard hat, but that was very rare. And the sweatbands, the built-in sweatband that comes with the hard hat can get downright nasty, especially if you're in construction or doing hot, sweaty work. It's the only reason you'll be wearing a hard hat to start with. But I went on Amazon and ordered me some. Mine was pretty nasty, but I took it out and I used a cheaper brand of sweatband that I had ordered from Amazon, and I didn't like it. These I just got today. They're like a cotton with a Velcro strap on that's fitted around the hat band. And I put one in here, and I'm very pleased with it. It makes the hat more comfortable to wear. And you can take them out and wash these helmet liners. Now this package of 5, I already used one, was less than $10. And it's well worth it because, like I say, you could wash them and reuse them. But if you're one person who has to wear a hard hat every day, I recommend it. You might want to, I'll talk about my hard hat a little bit. I purchased it at Home Depot. It's a standard hard hat that most construction companies or various companies that require people to wear a hard hat will issue their employees. But you can buy your own at any home repair like Home Depot or Lowe's. And that was my idea to use it for a helmet cam some years ago, and I've had 2 or 3 different GoPros hooked up to this helmet. I didn't like the way they come unglued sometimes. That's the reason for the 1/4-20 bolt. But basically, I just wanted to do a review for these sweatpants that I ordered from Amazon. They're Velcro feeling. They're real soft with the padding. I like them. Makes the hat more comfortable on your head too. Anyway, that's my little bit of hard hat sweatband helmet cam review. Thanks for listening. Your comments are most welcome.